And when we go through the ills facing our society, right? Meaning everything that our society as America, or people like in England, Europe, and other places are facing, we have solutions as Muslims, alhamdulillah. We have the Quran, we have the Sunnah, we have the Sharia, we have all these beautiful things to give solutions for the problems of society, whether it is the disease of the LGBTQXYZ stuff, or if it's housing bubbles, or if it's homelessness, or if it's drug abuse, or alcohol abuse, or spousal abuse, all these things, Islam is a solution. But sometimes when we present that solution, or we're shy to present that solution because of the response that people will give. If somebody sees you and then they give you a name and then suddenly you freak out, and now somehow that's changed your whole life because somebody looked at you funny.